When I'm in the streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bank rolls, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough. So I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make sure.
Alright, what's up guys? Today we're filming another video. Not sure what I have planned today. As per usual, now I'm gonna play some music, get hype, so I can start doing some combos. And that's it. Alright. Grab my phone from my collective chess rig. Go get yours if you haven't. I need to tighten up my shoes. Tighten them up a little bit. Don't squeeze them too tight. Don't choke out the shoe. Ba-bam. Dang. Woo! Ah. Alright, we're gonna try this again. Ah. No. Ah. I almost had it. No. Oh, I had it. Oh. Oh. I just need to get my feet perfect. This is the one, I feel it. Why? This trick is not hard. It's not hard at all. I just need to get past this. Oh, let's go. Ah. Ah. Almost. Almost. Ah! Come on, Uzi, help me out. No! Woo! Woo! Finally landed the trick. Oh my god, dude. There it is. Just gotta commit. Have that patience that I do not have. I'm gonna bleep out everything I said in this video because I got pretty angry. I'm gonna try it again though because I landed it. Two times in a row. Like literally what I said. As soon as you land the trick, you're just gonna get it. And that's what I did. Landed the trick. But I'm not done. Shout out to Lil Uzi for keeping me motivated. Look, I'm so hype I got it, I'm gonna try it again. Not quite. I landed that though. Shout out to Meek Mill. Hopefully he's gonna let me land this trick. Will help me, I mean. Woo! Ah. Don't drop that wheel. Come on. Oh, lost it. Oh. All right, let's do a jump to crisscross for celebration. Oh, got too hype. Try it again. Let's do it. There we go. See what I mean? Don't give up. Because as soon as you get the trick, it's as simple as landing it. It's just a commitment factor. Trust me. I know. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm too hype. I'm landing in something right here. Told you I was landing something. It's that simple. You just gotta practice. But let me drop this and explain to you what goes down. It's literally as simple. You gotta have the patience, which I don't have, but I push through it. Try to keep that patience. Don't throw your bike, don't damage your bike, whatever. Keep that patience, keep that commitment. You gotta get that commitment going. As you can see, me, I wasn't committing for a while, and I just kept going at it, and then my barrier just broke, and I got it. So yeah, once you break that commitment barrier, stick the landing, then you just keep sending it and you just keep adding on tricks, and then as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.